used a simple 3-question test, which I will administer to you right now. This works best if you actually try to answer these questions for yourself. Write them down if you happen to have paper and pencil handy. You ready? Question number 1. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? You ready? Question number 2. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? Okay? Question number 3. In a lake, there is a patch of lily pads. Every day, the patch doubles in size. If it takes 48 days for the patch to cover the entire lake, how long would it take for the patch to cover half of the lake? Do you have your answers? If you answered 10 cents for the first question, 100 minutes for the second question, and 24 days for the third question, congratulations. You are a typical human being. You are also wrong on all 3 questions. The real answers are 5 cents, 5 minutes, and 47 days. All 3 of these questions share a common formulation. They are all questions in which there is an obvious, intuitive answer that is also obviously wrong. Let's look closer at the first question to see what I mean. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? The intuitive answer is 10 cents. The answer just seems to jump right out at you. System 1, always Johnny on the spot, has come to your rescue and provided you with an answer without your having to do any of that difficult and ponderous arithmetic you so despised as a child. Of course, if you had bothered to do that basic math, you would have quickly realized that if the ball costs 10 cents and the bat costs $1 more than the ball, then that means the bat costs $1.10. And $1.10 plus 10 cents is $1.20, which is, of course, more than the total stated in the problem. This math is not that tough. Anyone could have done it. System 2 could have realized the error and fixed it, overridden the System 1 response, but only if you had bothered to engage in System 2 processing. Frederick called this the cognitive reflection test, and he argued that this simple 3-question test measures the natural tendency of someone to engage in System 2 processing. For all of these questions, an intuitive answer was available and seemed reasonable at first glance. And if you wanted to, you could have stopped right there. Most people do. Just approve the System 1 answer and move on with your life. It's really only those who want to engage in that additional processing who will find the correct non-intuitive answer. This group will override